Hi everybody, welcome to week 5, module 5. We're over halfway through this session, so I hope you're keeping up. This week we're going to be looking at managing teams and conflict management. Conflict management actually often occurs when we have to work with other people effectively in groups or teams. So we're going to be looking at a specific example of Mayo Clinic. I'm going to ask you to create a negotiation plan and then to look at the next characteristic of principal leaders. And so the journal materials, a couple of articles, 3 articles, and a couple of different videos. Some of you may be familiar already with the idea of empowerment, and it may be already using it in your own organizations. So the discussion board this week is having you take a look at teamwork at the Mayo Clinic. You may know, but I didn't know, that as early as 1910, Dr. Mayo preached the importance of teamwork. And so Design at Mayo, there's actually a case, an online case, where they've interviewed individuals who work at the Mayo Clinic. They've got some videos, so there's all different kinds of links at this link that you can explore. You don't have to look at everything and listen and view every video, but take a look so you understand enough about how they're using teams to be able to answer the questions. So how have they used teamwork? How does the use of teamwork make Mayo Clinic more effective? How do you select the right people for this team? And how can we apply what we've learned in a hospital to a business setting? So we got some people already working on that. Okay, so written assignment, sorry for that misspelling. So this is all about negotiating. So in the essentials class, we looked at the 5 approaches to managing conflict. So I wanted to focus on the negotiation piece in this assignment. So the OB toolbox, so this is right out of your reading, has a list of steps to negotiating a higher salary. If you don't need to be negotiating a higher salary, then try to develop a plan for negotiating something else. So if you're in the process of, getting a new job and negotiating a setting salary, negotiating for a promotion or a bonus or a new project or a house or a car. Okay, so try to make it relevant to something that you're actually going to do. And I know some of you are in this process because of what you've told us beforehand and what I've read. So written assignment, use these steps, develop a plan for negotiating something that's important to you. Okay, so a negotiation mediation expert once told my class that the planning for the negotiation is probably more than 50% of what it takes to be an effective negotiator. So this is having you create a plan. And then the journal assignment is about empowering and holding others accountable. So the example here is from Marriott and how they work to empower their employees. This is a really long video. I pulled out just, 7 minutes of it to look at, to hear about how they go about trying to empower their employees. So in terms of the journal assignment and thinking about this characteristic, evaluate Marriott's attempts to empower their employees, and then evaluate your own organization, and evaluate yourself on the extent to which you empower others. And so maybe you don't have direct reports right now, but think about in the future what you might do, or if there are other areas in your life where you have an opportunity to empower others. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.